Hi guys, welcome to Eco English Learning. So in this session, we are talking about the English vocabulary that I told you in the last video. The English words have originated differently from different languages. But today we are going to discuss about some examples that are concerned with their origin and how they became popular with the different names. So origin actually is not so much concerned for the learners, but the learner should know about the background or the history of the words, where did they come from, because they help them to retain in their mind, help in the learning process. So today we are talking about portmanteau words. Portmanteau words. Actually portmanteau has its origin in France. This is a French word. French word which means in English a large leather suitcase, and the portmanteau is actually pronounced differently. Some pronounce it as portmanteau, some portmanteau, and some keep the T silent in between. They say portmanteau. So whatever the pronunciation is, portmanteau words are very popular today and they are used very often. You will be surprised to know that many of the words that we use today are portmanteau words. So portmanteau, as I told you, is a French word for large leather suitcase. Just as people squeeze their clothing in a suitcase, in the same way, some speakers and clever writers squeeze parts of words together to create words that name something new. So examples may be numerous. Many examples I can give you. Like I have Pokemon, that is made from pocket monster. Staycation, that is staying with vacation, like staying at home and enjoying vacation, that is staycation. So we have more words like Bollywood, that is Bombay, and Hollywood as a combination of two words. We have Cineplex, that is cinema plus complex, and many more words. They are derived differently, giving birth to new words. So we will be learning more words in the same way. So let's get started with this session and try this session. So guys, let's start today's session, that is on portmanteau words. So let me tell you first the spelling of portmanteau, that I told you is a French word. It spells like Portmanteau. 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 This is a French word. So we are going to learn some portmanteau words that are used in English actually as their English vocabulary. For instance, I would tell you one word, that is motel. That is motel. M-O-T-E-L. Motel. This is first instance. Motel. You would be surprised to note that it is a combination of two words actually. One is motor and plus hotel. How it comes to be? When hotels were first built on highways, an imaginative person took bits of words motor and hotel and it combined them to make motel. So MO and hotel. So nowadays if you find any hotel on the highways, it is motel. So that was just an instance. Now we learn some more portmanteau words. I would be telling you the word, its meaning, and how is it derived. The first word in the list is blob. B-L-O-B, blob. So blob word means a very large computer file. So how is it made? It is made up of three words: binary, B-I-N-A-R-Y, binary, large, object. Binary, large, object. Such a large word is squeezed to make blob. How? We get B from binary, L I mean from large, and OB from object. So it comes to be BLOB, blob. It means a very large computer file. So the next word in the list is brunch, that you must have heard a number of times and must have attended brunches also while attending any celebration. So brunch is also made up of different words, that is breakfast, BREAKFAST. Wait. BREAKFAST, breakfast, plus the second word in it is lunch. So you must have got that brunch, BR from breakfast and UNCH from lunch. It comes to be brunch. That is interesting one. So guys, the next word in this bottom and two words list is conman. 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 So what this conman is, it is made up of two words. One is confidence, and the second word is man. So you can see man as whole is there. We have picked man, and con comes from confidence. This is con. It comes to be confidence man, that is con man. It means a cheater or a swindler. Actually, it means the negative of that. Con man is a cheater actually, but made up of confidence and man. So it is a portmanteau word. The next word in the list is very interesting word, that is emoticon. 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 This portmanteau word is made up of two words. First one is emotion, 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 and the second word is icon. So how is it made? Emoticon. We take EMOT from emotion and ICON from icon. It comes to be emoticon. Emoticon actually is a series of keyed characters used in email or WhatsApp. You use everywhere to show emotion such as pleasure, such as sadness. You must have seen this symbol like two dots and a hyphen. It is for pleasure. You must be using this symbol, and another may be like two dots and another hyphen for sadness. So these are emoticons used for. Here one small bricks that are called parentheses, that letter or that symbol is to be used. If I say like this, it is for pleasure. If I put it like this, it is for sadness. These are emoticons used differently while using texting through net or through your computer or through your mobile. This is emoticon, the portmanteau word. In this list, the next word is a very interesting one, and it is fortnight. Fortnight. This portmanteau word is made up of again two words, and those two words are, the first one is 14, FOURTEEN, 14, plus the second word in this list comes night, NIGHT, night. So you must have guessed that how fortnight is made. 14 we pick for, FOR, from 14, and night full word is taken from this one. This is night. Fortnight, it means a period of 2 weeks, that is 15 days. This is portmanteau word. And the next one is very interesting one. It is netiquette. The spellings are NETQUETTE. Netiquette. This portmanteau word is made up of two words. First one is internet, internet, and the second one is etiquette, etiquette. So this is a very big one. When it is squeezed, it becomes netiquette, and et, here one more letter should be there, netiquette. Here one more letter should be there, it's a netiquette. It comes neti, QUETTE, netiquette. So when we ask some person, don't you have etiquettes? We usually ask now, don't you have netiquettes? That is through net. We have to be well behaved when we use net. The next word in this list is pixel, PIXEL, pixel. This is again made up of two words. The first word, can you guess? The first word is picture. The first word is picture, and the second one is element, ELEMENT, element. So let's squeeze it and make it pixel. We get PI from picture and XEL from this one, EL, element, EL. This is pixel. Picture plus element, pixel. That is a commonly used word or vocabulary related to your computer and computer peripherals. The next word, we move to the next word, that is slanguage. Slanguage, GUAGE. Slanguage made up of two words, and these are slang plus language. Slang plus language. What is that? Slanguage, GUAGE. Wait, GUAGE. So slang plus language, commonly we heard that we are using slang. It is a language with a lot of slang. It comes to be slanguage. Slang plus UAGE, that is slanguage. It's a very simple one. So next we move to another word. This is twirl, TWIRL, twirl. Portmanteau word, of course, made up of two words, and those two words are twist plus whirl. What it means? It means to swing in a circle or revolve briskly. So very fast. So TWI, we come at it is from twist, and RL from whirl. It comes to be twirl. That is a sudden movement, a revolving movement, as a brisk movement. So these were some portmanteau words. Let's go back and have a view. Twirl. Then we have slanguage. We have pixel. We have netiquette, fortnight, then emoticons, then we have conman, brunch, and blob. These are the words, portmanteau words for today's session. I started with motel. I told you that how these words are made. So you must have come to know these are the words made by squeezing 2 or 3 or 4 words and giving birth to a new word. So these are derived words. These are called portmanteau words. Thanks for watching this session. You please give us like, share it, and subscribe. Have a good day. Learn well, grow well.